Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you. And I have a box from Magnolia. So, yeah. This is where, what does it say? We believe in home. So I'm going to see what's in here and share that with you. I usually will look for the sales that come out periodically from Magnolia, and if something piques my interest, I might give it a try. I usually get something from them a couple times a year. They have amazing home-related items. They also have apparel and jewelry, which I have shown you before. I will link a prior Magnolia unboxing here. But let's get started and see what's in this box, and I will definitely share with you at the end of the video where I put this stuff in my home. So if you want to see what's in this box, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm putting on some glasses so I can actually see what's in here. And we'll get it open. Alrighty, what did I get this time? Oh, so I got some, this is called, it says Pampas Grass. I will look, but it's nice and soft. Might be nice to put on the kitchen table or some kind of, you know, end table or something like that. It's so soft and so pretty, and it's got a long stem, so it looks pretty good. This is the Pampas Grass, and this is yeah, they don't give me prices on this, so I will link everything below so that you can see the price. But that's the Pampas Grass, which I'm very, very excited about. It is losing a little bit of its stuff, but not really much at all. And it's so beautiful, really. Okay. I wanted to get a smaller wooden spoon for smaller things, and so I did get this wooden spoon, and it says Magnolia, and it's really, really pretty. It's good quality. It's not flimsy or light, but it's not heavy. Really like this. All right. Let's see what's in here. Things are really wrapped really, really well. This is cute. I thought this was gonna be like small, but it's really decent size, and it is for a little candle that you can put in here. So this can go like on your hearth. Again, it says Magnolia on there. And it's just so pretty. This is going to look so pretty with a little glowing candle in there. Certainly use a little small tea light in here. This is a effervescent bath salt that looked so pretty on the website. So it's a combination of lavender for relaxing and orange for rejuvenating. Natural fizz with essential oils and moisturizing coconut oil. Let's see what this looks like. Can't wait to use this. So there's two. Do you know I can smell these already? I haven't even taken them out of the package. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. So this one is the lavender. Smells incredible. I can't wait to use these. And this must be the orange. Smells so good. You could use a combination of both, or you could just do one or the other. And it comes with this little tray. So you can just set this on your tub. And I believe it comes with a little spoon, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, comes with a little spoon, a little wooden spoon, which is so darn cute. Look at this little spoon. So you can throw some in the tub and enjoy. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Let's see, I got another spoon, another wooden spoon. Can always upgrade your wooden spoons. Again, this says Magnolia on it, and it has like these lovely rings. So yeah, I can't wait to add these to my wooden spoon collection. So awesome. All right, and I have one more thing in here. Oh, these are bookends. They're heavy, they're concrete. I know Chip and Joanna like to do concrete. They do concrete countertops and concrete floors and different things like that. So I thought getting the concrete bookends would be kind of like bringing some of their style into my home. This is really, really heavy. They package things really, really well too. Yeah, it's that concrete like they do their countertops. So this is really cool because I feel like, you know, when you watch them and they do a concrete countertop and you see Chip doing it, this is, you know, it's like I have a little piece of that. I don't know, you might think I'm silly, but so there's two of them. Bookends. So that's what I got from my Magnolia haul. And so I will show you exactly where I am putting everything so that you can see. And I will definitely, I'm going to be doing a sort of a nighttime spa routine video before the end of the month. That's my dream and target, that I'm gonna do that. I mean, we're approaching the end of the month already. It's unbelievable how quickly these things go by. But I do want to do that, and so I will definitely be using these bath salts when I do that. And this lovely little building, this little house, this little really cozy looking house. I think I'll put this on my hearth with a candle inside, and I'll put it next to my lantern that I had gotten around Christmas time. And I have an LED candle in there, and it looks really pretty. I think this would look really pretty on the side of it, so that's where I'm going to put that, and I will show you that. Yeah, and I have to find a spot for my Pampas Grass, but I definitely will, and I will definitely show you where I put it. So alright guys, that is my Magnolia haul video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Maybe it's given you some inspiration to pick up something from them as well. They really have good quality products and stuff on their website that you can't get at Magnolia Home, Hearth and Hand at Target. So, but some of this stuff probably they do carry at Target. So if you see something here and you're in Target, look for it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. If you like this kind of video, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care everybody. Bye for now.